So the road is beautiful. Pick up Wonder Boy. Coming to you live and direct.
How do you know that's coyote poop?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy. Today we are going up in the hunting ground. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, come along with me and enjoy the beautiful ride. Look at the stretch going up. This is the route that I take to go in my hunting ground. Come along with my journey. I want you to like, subscribe and share and walk along with me with Wonder Boy. Hit that notification. Pick up Wonder Boy.
Definitely need the water boots.
Am I afraid? Alligator and deer. Like some deer belly.
What?
Yeah, look like some tribe. Look at it. Like a good inspection at it.
That looks like a turtle.
Man, that's not a turtle, man. Oh, that's a hog.
A hog?
Yeah.
How do you see that's a hog?
I don't think no alligator in here saying that's a hog belly. Yeah. That's a hog belly. You see, let me get something dry in more. Hold on, just think of it out. My hand is clean enough. I'm going to detect. Free.
Smells recent.
Not too long ago.
That looks like an alligator. It looks like an alligator though.
Oh, I kill it. That looks like two belly to me.
Why the fish don't eat it?
Maybe no fish in there. No alligator na in there and I eat it. That's a hog.
Oh, that is a hog.
Yeah, but that look like domestic pigs. Eh? That's two of them. a wild hog. That's a female too. That's two big one too. But the coyote they know I'm going there for them tracks. Look. They're tempting to go for that meat, but they can't catch it.
Well, why would they throw it here though?
I don't know. I should have dry it out, make the coyote there eat it.
Don't touch it with your hand, Wonder Boy. But why do you waste it?
Watch. But that's a female. Why didn't kill the female? See?
Yeah, that's why there's no babies.
Let's see what this one is. Okay. That's too nice. It's a young one. That's good while them in the water.
Wonder Boy, what do you have to say about this?
That's very cruel. Normally I wouldn't kill the females then because the females then produce and make babies. But they kill the females, they look like they have babies. That's very bad for hunting. That's very bad for Wonder Boy. Leave the females, let them produce and kill the males. And then we'll always have something to catch when he comes into Wonder Boy hunting farm. But see, I find two females, they just cut out them, cut off the legs and the thigh and the front foot, and then they throw all the rest of the meat in the water. Do you know if you get some nice wild hog ribs and throw on the grill, do you know how that tastes really good? You season up very nice and you throw it on the grill and make it smoke and then cook it at the same time. That tastes so really good. But they're killing out the population. Remember, if we all kill out all women in this world, all we got all kids produce, then that means you're killing out all the people in the world. So you gotta leave the ladies, them ladies and gentlemen. Don't kill the ladies. Make the ladies them survive. In hunting, I always kill the males, not the females. Because the female produce. The males don't produce. So leave the females them alone and kill the males. That means when you come back, you'll always have more. Because remember, ladies and gentlemen, anywhere there's a ladies, there's a man. So our men is always going to be there. Because they smell what we don't put down. One more thing, leave Wonder Boy to produce more video. Right? And then you do all the males them. All the males them. But that's a sad story right there. You know, they kill two females that's pregnant and throw them in the water. They don't even leave it for the buzzard. They just throw it in the water. And that's a bad example. So ladies and gentlemen, who hunting, leave all the females in. Just kill out the males in. And you will always have pigs producing, or deer producing, or turkey producing. Kill the tom, don't kill the female. Kill the buck, don't kill the fawn. And you will always have deer in your property. But this is a sad story that I see here. They kill it, they throw it in the water. They should have even leave it. The buzzards don't want to eat too. And the coyote and the bear, they eat it too. So just leave it out there, don't throw it in the water. Well, sorry, I couldn't show you the episode of this hunting because these people killing out the females them. But don't worry, I got a lot more hunting channel coming to you because I have a lot more where I can hunt and show you all my hunting videos them. So just watch Wonder Boy coming to you. Wonder Boy gonna come into you live and direct. Unfortunately, I don't have nothing to show you because I cannot kill the females them. So I leave the females them to produce. But if I see a male, bet sure Wonder Boy would have shown you that male. But I can't kill the females them. So I leave them, let they go produce. So tune in for the next hunting video from Wonder Boy. I'll catch you on the next hunting video, ladies and gentlemen. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification button. And ladies and gentlemen, all who subscribe to my channel and watch my channel, I tell you, big up. Big up mean thanks. And thanks for subscribing. And thanks for watching Wonder Boy videos them. And Wonder Boy have a whole lot of videos coming to you live and direct. So I'll catch you on the next hunting video. Peace.